Still studying the old way? These AI tools can save you hours every day. If you're a student, don't skip this video. From notes to presentations, projects to productivity, AI can literally become your personal assistant. Let me show you the best AI tools every student should use. First is ChatGPT. It can explain concepts, write assignments, generate project ideas, and even help you prepare for exams. Notion AI is perfect for notes, planning, and daily study routines. It can summarize long topics in seconds. Google Gemini is great for research, coding help, and real-time answers with Google data. Canva AI helps you create presentations, posters, resumes, and YouTube thumbnails in minutes. This AI can convert text into realistic voice. Perfect for videos, reels, and presentations. AI video editors like CapCut AI can auto-caption, remove noise, and edit videos automatically. Students are using these tools to earn from freelancing, content creation, and online work. AI won't replace students, but students who use AI will replace those who don't. Like, share, and subscribe for more AI and student growth content.